Hey Fragrance fam! We've been hard at work here in the AFI Project Lab coming up with new, easy-to-make products for your line of fragrant goodies. I'm Caitlin, and today I've got a simple but spectacular bath bomb project for you. They may look simple, but there's a sparkly surprise inside. Not to mention, they're scented with one of our all-time bestsellers, our version of Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast. What's not to love? Well, come on and let's make them. I'm making a batch of about 28 ounces in total, which is a little under 2 pounds. Start by adding in the dry ingredients. This includes baking soda, then the citric acid, and finally some tapioca starch. Now grab your whisk and mix everything up thoroughly. The better these ingredients are distributed amongst each other, the better the bath bomb will fizz. With all of that blended up, you can grab separate mixing containers. I like to use glass beakers. Into the beaker, you'll add the fragrance. What better fragrance to use for a glittery bath bomb than our version of Champagne Toast by Bath & Body Works? It smells just like a fresh and fruity champagne. To that, you'll add some polysorbate 80, cocamidopropyl betaine, and witch hazel. The mixture should thicken up some depending on your fragrance. It might become viscous like this, but it won't affect your bath bombs. Before I combine the wet and dry ingredients, I'm going to activate some of this special dye I've got. In the jar, it looks kind of plain, but when you add just a tiny scoop of it into your liquid, it's vibrant pink. This makes a great color for Champagne Toast bath bombs. Stir until the mixture is one uniform color, and then you're ready to combine everything. Grab some gloves and pour the liquid over your dry ingredients. Work everything together using your hands until the texture feels like wet sand. Make sure to break up any clumps of wet ingredients to be sure your bath bombs will mold right. Perform a quick mold test by grabbing some of the mixture in your hands and squeezing it. If it crumbles, spray it with a 50-50 mixture of distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. Don't spray too much though. 1 or 2 spritzes is all you need. You can mold your bath bombs using any method you prefer, but I like these 3-part molds. To give your bath bombs a sparkly glitter embed inside, fill 1/2 of your mold and use a finger to poke a shallow hole in the mixture. Then fill the hole with 1/4 teaspoon of some plastic-free glitter. My glitter of choice is pink and gold, perfect for the fragrance we use. Close up the hole with more bath bomb mixture and finish molding the other half as usual. Carefully lay your bath bombs out to harden somewhere that's cool and dry. The less humid your environment, the sooner they'll be ready to use. Check their hardness after about 48 hours, and if they feel firm and dry, they're ready. So here we go, a Champagne Toast bath bomb. It looks pretty standard right now, but let's test them out and see how our little glitter embeds look. And there you have it, some gorgeous glitter bath bombs. Try experimenting by combining different eco-glitter combos to get all kinds of cool effects. When selling your bath bombs, emphasize the surprise inside without giving it away. The mystery will draw customers in and get them excited about using them. If you want more bath bombs, tips, tricks, and tutorials, become a member of the Fragrance Fam by subscribing and ringing that bell icon. That way you'll never miss out on an update. Thank you all for another great year here at AFI, and we hope to catch you in the next video. Until then, we hope your holidays are happy and your new year is filled with celebration. Bye for now!